Hey guys, this is Josh at Bane Tech, and for this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to root my Note 3 on the Verizon network. And I'm not going to take any credit towards putting this tutorial together or the processes or methods or anything like that. This is just simply my experience with it. So this is possibly a way that you could also root your Note 3 on the Verizon network. Now I'm going to be using the Kingo method, and you can find it at kingoapp.com. And from there you're going to see Android root options and so forth. But just to show you, I am model number SM-N900V. I am on Android 4.3 and the baseband version MI9. So those are the more important things to pay attention to usually when you're focusing on rooting certain devices. Now I was going to go with the kind of standard method of rooting through Odin and all that kind of stuff, but at this time those links were not working that great, so I'm reverting to this, and I give a shout out to Shane Droid Modder X for pointing this method out to me. So let's get started, and first of all you're going to go to the kingoapp.com Android root. So once you get to that screen, you're going to see that you can download it on a couple different sites. You can download it from Kingo itself or on CNET. Either way will be fine. At the part of my Dell, it's a piece of junk. I basically only have it or bust it out when I want to root. I am a primary user of a MacBook, and so pretty much any kind of rooting stuff is going to be PC only. Haven't had too much luck with trying to root on a Mac. So let's go ahead and get to the download links. Just simply hit download now. My trackpad is all screwed up on my Dell. I need to get a new PC. But like I said, I only use it for when I want to root something or unroot, and that's about it. So not sure what kind of investment I want to do. But down here at the bottom, it's downloading. I think I downloaded it once already, but just to kind of take you through the steps, this is how we'll do it. And you'll just want to hit run when you get that pop-up. Hit continue. Now I would definitely recommend not having your device plugged in at this point, and make sure that you have a full charge. You always want to make sure you have a full charge when you do any kind of hacking, modding, anything like that, just for precautionary purposes. Now let's just walk through the setup wizard. Hit next. You're going to want to read through that if you want. Hit accept if you want to proceed. Hit next. Next. Just follow. I might as well just create a quick launch icon. It's not going to hurt anything to do so. Goodness gracious, my trackpad sucks. And this should go with the installation. Hit finish. Okay, so here we are at the application, and it says please connect your device via USB cable. And I always recommend using whatever cable came with your device. Okay, so it's connecting. And don't touch anything, just kind of let it do its thing. Looks like I might need to enable US debugging mode. And you're going to do that by going to your settings. go to your About phone, and if you have not done this already, go on the build number and you're going to want to tap it as many times as it takes to turn on developer mode, and then back out, and above that will be your developer options. I'm just going to make sure that my debugging is turned on. Thought it was. Nope, sure wasn't. Okay, so that's where you go to do that. US debugging, just check that, and here you see it is now installing the driver. Alright, it says to disconnect your device. It's going back to install driver. Alright, so after a few attempts, the driver installation succeeded, and now I need to reconnect my device. Now this, it took a long time, so be patient with it. I set it down and went to go play Battlefield 4 for a little bit, so that's how long it took. It took a little while, so I'm going to reconnect the device and see how the next step goes. Hopefully it's nice and smooth and easy and quick. Okay, so the next step is you get this prompt that basically reflects what comes up on your phone, and allow US debugging, and you're going to want to hit the check mark and then hit OK. We got some more connecting to do. I'm just going to put my phone down until it's ready to do what it needs to do. Alright, so Samsung device, normal mode, root status no, notification, privilege, blah blah blah. So let's hit root. Looks like part of the step is the device will reboot, so just let it do its thing. Don't touch anything, don't unplug it, just do exactly what it says. I was just going to let you know I wasn't able to turn the camera back on in time, but I was asked for super user permissions. So that's the big indicator for root access. It says root succeeded. Got custom logo here. That's awesome, that's exciting. Finally, it took so many stinking steps and retry after retry to actually get to this point. So root succeeded, please reboot your device, which it does that automatically. And that should be good to go. Alright. Alright, so on this screen, once you're rebooted and all that, it's going to tell you that root status is yes, and you have the option to remove root or root again. So let's go into the device. We should see a super user app. Here we go, super SU right here. But for further verification, we're going to go to root checker. Let that install. It's a free app. Go ahead and open it up. Hit agree. Root checker basic. Hit OK. Verify root access. It's requesting super user, so that's the indicator that it is. You're going to grant that, and it says congratulations, this device is rooted. So awesome, very cool. I'm excited. Stay tuned for more videos of the Note 3 rooting. Let's see, we got to still do the Safestrap, and then I'll be loading some ROM. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Sorry it was such a pain to kind of go through, kind of choppy, but it just took a long time with this program. I don't know if it's the program or if it was my computer. Either way, this is what my experience was like, so there you go. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.